Today we're going to insulate the back side of an access panel of your average about 1970s home. You normally find these in your closet or in a hallway. As you can see, it's just got a couple handles, simple 2x4s on the back side. They had fiberglass insulation just kind of taped on here. Obviously that wasn't very well. So we're going to make it superior with a Foambeak. We're going to do this in a couple passes. We're actually going to do this in a couple passes. We'll do one pass now, we'll let it set up and harden, and then we'll come back and do another pass because it is an attic access panel and you want to get the highest R value you can in your attic. Nowadays, throughout the United States, a lot of places in the northern area of the United States is about an R60 for your attic. So after we get this foamed up, we'll go and apply another layer. As you can see, the product is very easy to use. Pull the trigger and swipe. These are available on foambeak.com as well as on Amazon.